A very good morning to all of you dear children. आप सभी को मेरे नमस्कार. Children, as you know, we are already doing the chapter in class 2 English, curly locks and the three bears, and we are doing the back exercise of it. And here we have done the live class about the bear and its describing word. We have to describe the word for bear, यानी भालू को ऐसे कौन से वर्ड्स हैं जो उसकी क्वालिटी बताता है, उसके बारे में वो वर्ड्स बताते हैं. जैसे कि आप कभी बोलोगे अ बिग, आई हैव सीन अ बिग बेयर, ठीक है. तो बिग इज द डिस्क्राइबिंग, जो कि उसको डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है, टेलिंग मोर अबाउट द बेयर. मतलब कोई भी ऐसा वर्ड जो उस बेयर के बारे में, भालू के बारे में आपको एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है, दैट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड. हियर जैसे आई हैव सीन अ बिग bear, it is describing the bear. Now next you can see it is a heavy bear. ये एक heavy bear है. heavy मतलब भारी. bear जो होते हैं बहुत बड़े और भारी होते हैं, ठीक है. it is a heavy bear. oh, I have seen a hairy bear. hairy मतलब hair वाला, बहुत hairy होते हैं. I have seen a hairy bear, मैंने एक बहुत ही hairy bear देखा है. oh, they have kept a strong bear. जो bear होते हैं वो strong भी होते हैं, ठीक है. तो आप बोल सकते हो strong उसके लिए describing word है, big describing word है, and there is many more describing words. जैसे I have told you right now कि big is the describing word for bear, क्योंकि bear भालू is very very big, okay. तो here the word that is giving you more information about the bear, ज़्यादा information, extra information you are getting about something, that is describing word. तो here bear का describing word we can say big. I have seen a big bear. मैंने बहुत बड़ा भालू देखा है. It is a strong bear. bear जो होते हैं heavy होते हैं, they are big in size, they are heavy in weight, and so they are strong, ठीक है. they are strong. So we can say bear are strong, bear are heavy, bear are big, bear are hairy. hairy भी होते हैं, and they are fat. if they are heavy, we can't lift them, so they must be fatty. so we can use fat word for the bear, ठीक है. तो एक one more extra word for describing the bear is fat, F-A-T, fat, okay. Then black. most of the bear we have seen, or we saw any where in zoo. if you have seen in the zoo, if you have seen in the cartoon, most of the bear are in black color, okay. so black is also describing word. Children, here I want to tell you कि colors are also describing word. if you add any color to any noun, any naming word, that means it is describing. suppose I will say I have wore a blue suit. तो here suit का जो कलर है blue, it is the describing word for the suit. तो colors are always used as describing words. colors को कभी भी use कर सकते हो as describing words. तो most of the bear you have seen are in black color. तो we can see I have seen a black bear. you are in second standard class, तो just speak simple sentence. it is, this is, there is, here is, I have seen. इससे sentences you can make very easily, okay. so you can say I have seen a black bear. oh, there is a black bear, okay. you can see I have seen a black bear in the zoo, ठीक है. या I love to see black bear, ठीक है. I love to see, I can see, I have seen, he has seen. इस तरीके से you can make so many. that is, there is, here is, okay. now last जो मैंने एक और बनाया है यहाँ पे, वो है lazy. lazy मतलब the person who don't like to be active, who is very inactive, we can say he is or she is lazy, आलसी, okay. lazy. तो जो bears होते हैं, if you have seen the Mowgli cartoon, you will find that the Baloo, the name of the bear is Baloo, is very lazy. though he is very informative, he is very intelligent, but he is, though at the other end he is very lazy, okay. तो जो most of the bear होते हैं उनका ये quality होते हैं, they are lazy, okay. now look at the board, ठीक है. we have written strong, strong, and I have made a sentence. I am a strong girl. I am a strong girl. You can make sentence. जरूरी नहीं है you have to make sentence related to bear. But the properties, but the describing words, describing, D-E-S, C-R-I-B, describing words for bear. But these are the words for sure you can use for to describe bear. इसलिए मैंने सारे सेंटेंस यहाँ पर bear से बना के सुनाए थे. But here you have to make the sentence in any way related to bear or related to anyone else. ताकि आपको वो word use करना है, so that you will able to use the word in your life. Strong. I am a strong girl. Simple. I am a. I have a seen. This is a. That is a. इससे बनाओ. I am a strong girl. I am a strong boy. Big. I have a big ball. Have से बहुत. Using have you can make so many sentences जो आपके पास है. I have. ठीक है. I have big ball. I have a big chair. I have a big table. I have a big car. Big toy car. Like this you can make so many sentences using this word big. I have seen. I have seen. I have seen a big cow. I have seen a big dinosaur. You can make. Hairy. I have a hairy puppy. मेरे पास एक hairy puppy है. I have a hairy puppy. या I have seen a hairy puppy. या this is a hairy puppy. ठीक है. There is a hairy puppy. इस तरीके से so many sentences. Fat. There is a fat monkey on a tree. मोटा. Fat means मोटा. Fatty. Fat. There is a fat monkey on the tree. Yeah, I have seen a fat monkey. I have seen a fat lion. I have seen a fat woman. I have seen a fat man. I have seen a fat boy. Black. I love black color. I love black color. Yeah, I have seen a black crow. I have seen a black pigeon. I have seen a black. Yeah, I love to wear black color. Yeah, I love black color. There is a black bear. इस तरीके से there is a black cow. Okay. There is a black cat. I have seen a black cat. There is a black cat. Lazy. He is a lazy boy. He is a lazy boy. She is a lazy girl. Like this you can make so many sentences using the words, describing words for bear. You can make sentence either related to bear or any other sentence. Okay, sentence. The purpose is you should able to make sentences, little sentences using the words. Okay, children. Now moving ahead. Let's move ahead. Your next question in the book. Let me show you. We have this question. We have done this question. Here what is saying कि आपको कर्ली लॉक्स वाले चैप्टर में कुछ डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स आए थे जो कर्ली लॉक्स को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे थे. ठीक है. ऐसे ही आपको बेयर को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए कुछ वर्ड्स फाइंड आउट करने थे. नाउ माय फैमिली पे वी हैव टू राइट 5 लाइंस. ओके. आपकी अपनी फैमिली पे आपको 5 लाइंस लिखनी है. फैमिली we have done in detail in class 1 also as well as in class 2 also. In the starting of the class 2 we have done. So English in English we have done, but in English you can also do. I have a wonderful family. मेरे पास बहुत ही प्यारी. I have a lovely family. I have a big family. I have a wonderful family. I have a beautiful family. जो भी आप लिखना चाहो. There are dash members in my family. There are dash जितने भी members आपकी family में हैं, the members you have in your family, count them. Suppose you, your father, your mother, your grandmother, your grandfather, your sister or brother, जो भी आपके घर में है. ठीक है. Your uncle, aunt, your nephews, जो भी आपको बोलना है, your cousins, you can say. Okay. तो suppose मैं अभी लिख के चल रही हूँ. There are 6 members. Okay. There are 6 members. S-I-X 6. There are 6 members in my family. मेरी फैमिली में 6 members हैं. There are my. कौन है? अब now write the names of the members. There are my father, mother, grandmother, grandfather, grandmother, sister and I myself. और मैं खुद. I myself. मैं खुद के लिए आप क्या लिखोगे? मैं खुद. मैं यानी I, खुद यानी myself. यानी मैं खुद. I myself. You will write both the word. I myself. So you will count. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members in my family. Suppose in your family only father, mother and you. तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? There are father, mother and I myself. Suppose there are more members, more than 6. So you will write there are my father, mother, grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, cousin, sister. ठीक है, जो भी आप जितने भी मेंबर्स हैं यू हैव टू राइट द नेम्स ऑफ द ऑल मेंबर्स. नेम्स मतलब जो भी फादर मदर उनको बोलते हैं. इट इज अ बिग और अ स्मॉल फैमिली. सपोज मेरी जो फैमिली मुझे लग रही है 6 मेंबर वाली, वो बिग फैमिली में ही आती है. ग्रैंडफादर मदर आपकी फैमिली में है तो यू हैव अ बिग फैमिली, दैट मीन्स यू हैव अ जॉइंट फैमिली. If you have only father and mother and you or your brother or sister in your family, then it is the small family, or you can say it is a nuclear family. We have done this now, you already know. I love all of my family members. मैं अपने सारे family members को बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करता हूँ या करती हूँ. Now moving ahead, the next question in your book, children, if you will see it, there is a poem. Okay, we will do in detail. Okay, but first of all, just see it. A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see. But all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. Children, I am reading all these sea similarly, but if you will observe deeply, but spellings of these two seas are different. A sailor, the person who sail in the boat. जो बोट या शिप में जो भी सेल करते हैं, बोट जब तैरती है तो उसको सेल वर्ड बोलते हैं. A sailor went to जो भी समुद्री यात्री है. A sailor went to sea. A sailor went मतलब गया, है ना. A sailor went to sea. ये सी है समुद्र वाला, SEA इज समुद्र. ठीक है, जो सी है वो देखने गया किसको? यस चिल्ड्रन, समुद्र को, समुद्र में गया. A sailor went to see what he could see. क्या देखने के लिए? देखने के लिए कि वो क्या देख सकता है. To see. चिल्ड्रन कैसे याद करोगे इस सी का? You have 2 eyes, और देखने वाले सी में भी कितने होंगे? 2 E होंगे. 2 I and 2 E, that means देखना. तो SEE हम नहीं बोलते हैं, you have to speak SEE यानी देखना. तो to see what he could see, ये देखने के लिए कि वो क्या देख सकता था. but all that he could see, but वो कुछ जो भी कुछ देख पाया वो था was the bottom of the deep blue sea. bottom मतलब नीचे, ब्लू रंग का, गहराई में बस वो उसका बॉटम ही देख पाया, डीप ब्लू कलर का सी का. तो दैट मीन्स चिल्ड्रन हियर SEAC, दैट मीन्स द वाटर बॉडी, a big water body is sea, and CEEC यानी you have to look देखना. ठीक है, that is C. इससे आप डिफरेंशिएट करना सीख गए हो. Now you have to make sentences using C. And एक और है tail. Children, I have told you the difference between C. Now tail. TAIL, tail. That means the something behind of an animal. That is tail. A long part hanging behind any animal. ठीक है, that means पूंछ. TAIL, tail यानी पूंछ, और TALE, tail यानी कहानी. TALE, tail कहानी. समथिंग टोल्ड बाय योर ग्रैंडमदर, मदर, फादर, जो आपको कहानियाँ सुनाते हैं, स्टोरी. TALE, टेल यानी स्टोरी यानी कहानी. TAIL, टेल यानी पूंछ. ठीक है, तो इन दोनों में आपको डिफरेंस समझ में आ गया. सी और सी में डिफरेंस समझ में आ गया. नाउ यू हैव टू मेक सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग ऑल ऑफ दिस. इनको यूज करते हुए आपको सेंटेंस बनाना है. नाउ हाउ कैन यू मेक द सेंटेंस? लेट्स मूव अहेड. Children, as you know, we have discussed the poem that is having CSEAC and SEEC. SEEC means देखना, SEAC means water body, a big water body. So let's read out the poem first. A sailor went to sea. This is water body. A sailor, जो समुद्री यात्री होता है, that is sailor. A sailor went to sea. To see what he could see. ये देखने के लिए कि वो क्या देख सकता है. but all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. Okay, now make sentences. SEAC, sea means samudra. A ship, I have written, a ship is sailing in the sea. तैर रहा है, एक शिप जो है वो तैर रहा है सी में, समुद्र में. ओके, सी यू कैन राइट आई हैव सीन अ बिग सी. ठीक है, देयर इज अ बिग सी. ठीक है, देयर इज अ सी इन मुंबई. ओके, यू कैन राइट आई हैव सीन अ सी इन साउथ इंडिया. ओके, ठीक है, आई हैव सीन अ डॉल्फिन इन द सी. ओके, इस तरीके से यू कैन मेक सो मेनी सेंटेंसेस विद द सी, समुद्र. SEEC, इससे तो यू कैन मेक सो मेनी सेंटेंसेस. सी मतलब देखना. आई कैन सी द ट्री, आई कैन सी द बॉय, आई कैन सी द बर्ड, आई कैन सी यू. ओके, आई सी द बर्ड, सिंपल. ओके, you can make so many sentences. Now TAIL, tail, TAIL वाला tail, that means पूंछ. Okay, a monkey has a long tail. A cow has a tail. Okay, buffalo has a tail. The horse has hairy tail. Okay, mouse has very short tail, little tail. TAL, tail, इसको भी tail पढ़ते हैं. That is कहानी. I told a tale to my sister. I told a tale to my story की जगह पे आप बोल रहे हो tale. I told a tale to my sister. Okay, now children, इन वर्ड्स को हम कुछ बोलते हैं, आप धीरे धीरे आओगे आपको बताएंगे. बेसिकली these words having similar sound but having different meaning and different spellings are known as homophones. Homophones are those words who are having similar pronunciation, similar sound. You will say CC, tail. Sound is similar, but the spelling is different and the meaning is very different. Meaning is different, spelling is different, and the pronunciation is similar. Okay, these are homophones. We have discussed two homophones, CC, tail. C का homophone SEE, tail का homophone TALE. आपको ऐसे पता होना चाहिए. Okay children, that's all from my side today in the curly logs and the bear and the three bear. Thank you so much. You can see samudra, a ship is sailing in the sea. See, देखना. I can see the tree. Tail, पूंछ, a monkey has a long tail. Tail, कहानी. I told a tale to my sister.